Hi ladies, we meet again up close and personal. I have another really cool eyelash hack to share with you guys. I was just getting ready and I'm like, you know what? Let me show them what I just learned recently, because you know me, I'm all about those long beautiful lashes. And recently I shared with you guys a very affordable way to do eyelash extensions. Everyone can do it. If you haven't watched that video yet, feel free to go watch it. I'll link it below. Since learning that trick, I have been kind of experimenting a little more, and I found a really cool way to apply falsies underneath your lashes. You may think it's impossible to do that because you could only apply clusters underneath your lashes. It has to be in smaller pieces, otherwise it's not going to fit on properly. No, if you love wearing falsies but you just can't stand when the outer corner or inner corner starts detaching throughout the day and you don't notice it but people do, it's kind of embarrassing, looks kind of weird. You know when you got a bomb eyeshadow look but then throughout the day the eyeshadow starts settling on the lash strip and it starts looking kind of crusty? It's not very cute. Or personally, I just can't stand when you can see the lash strip on top of your eyelid. It just don't look that good in my opinion. You can visibly tell that you're wearing falsies. So if you want to get that seamless look and your eyelashes will not be detaching throughout the day, this video is for you. So here is what I like to use. First of all, the falsies. These have always been my favorite false lashes ever since I started wearing lashes. This is just the Ardell Natural 105. They're just long and curly and they look very natural to me, and most importantly I love these ones so much, especially when you're applying them underneath your lashes. It has a clear band and they're very bendable, so these ones work a lot better than these ones with the more like stiff band. You know what I'm saying? I mean, these work too. I've tried them, it works, but it's a little more difficult to put them on. If you're a beginner, definitely start off with something like this. These are so light and so bendy, and again, the strip is clear. Alright, so let's begin. First, you're going to want to take your lashes and make sure you cut them to your perfect eye shape, because like these for me are a little too long. My eyes are way smaller than that. Just going to measure them and then cut. And now they are ready to be applied. This is going to go by so quickly. It's even easier than applying false lashes as you would normally. So I'm going to be using the Lashify Bond. I shared this in a previous video. This is my favorite bond I found on the market. It's very good quality and it's only $25. But if you're looking for something a little more affordable, you could also use the Falscara Bond. You could find this at any drugstore. So you would just be using the bond. You don't even need to use the seal for this technique. It looks like this. It comes with like a little mascara wand. And you are just going to apply this to your lashes just like you would any mascara. If you don't want to clump it up or apply too much, I'll show you. Ooh. Got it on my eyelid. That's okay, we'll clean it up after. But see, I didn't apply that much, but I did make sure that all the hairs are coated with the bond. And then you're gonna take your falsies and just pull your eyelid up, and you're gonna want to apply it first on the outer corner and just pinch it just like so. Now that you got the outer corner on, just push it upwards a little bit and then connect the inner corner. Just like that. Once you're satisfied with the way you placed it on, then you just take your tweezers and pinch to get them all connected. Now the reason why I feel like this is so easy and doable is because this bond acts kind of like a magnet, so as soon as you get close to it and touch the natural lash that's coated with the bond, right away like it just clicks. They just stay there. So then you can kind of fidget with them and place it properly in the inner corner, and this is what it should look like when you're done. I'm gonna do the same thing to this eye and I'll be right back. See? Just like that. So to finish it off, I just use my liquid liner to line the upper lash line. This just kind of makes everything blend in nicely. And that's it. We are done. And this is what they look like. Now let me show you what they look like when I'm looking down, because that's the most important part. No visible lash strip. It just looks like your real lashes, especially if you're wearing natural looking falsies. You can even wear these for a couple of days. You can sleep in them. They will not budge. They'll not be coming off of your eyes. And I know you may be thinking, this is gonna damage my natural lashes so much, because when you pull them off, it's just gonna rip everything off. No, they are so easy to remove. I just have a cotton pad and some waterproof makeup remover, and then apply it to the lashes, and the falsies will easily melt off. You will not be damaging your natural lashes at all. I like using this Falsies remover, but again, you can use any waterproof makeup remover. I've done that before too, and it works just as well. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Definitely let me know in the comments if you try this out and how do you like it. I'd love to know your guys' feedback. If you like lash videos just as much as I do, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and lets me know to do more. Thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to watch another one of my videos. You're so appreciated, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye!